Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Go ahead, open it.
Open. Merry
Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas. Ooh, look at that.
What is it, Daddy? A
Dolly.
dolly. Oh.
Alright.
It'll go perfect in your little pram stroller right here. Ooh, Santa.
Dolly. Open up another one. There you go. There you go. Rip it up. Rip it up. She's like, alright, you got this one. Here, rip it. Open it up. Rip it.
What is that? What's in there? Ooh, a puzzle. There's a fishy, a crab, and a turtle.
Alright.
Yay.
Yay.
It has plastic on there. We gotta take that off. Okay, what's next? That's for Mommy and Daddy.
Alright, you want to pay attention to the other things. Ready?